Hey guys, so we are back with another problem. This is again a basic simple array problem. Find the number with even number of digits. So actually we need to return the count of all such digits that have the all such numbers that have the even number of digits. So let's say we are given an integer array and first element is 12, so 12 is 1 and 2. If you see, like, 12 contains two digits, 1 and 2, so this is even. And 345 is actually containing three digits, so that is a odd number of digits. So there are only two numbers in this array, 12 and 7896, that contains even digits. So actually we need to return the total number of numbers that contain the even digit. Similarly, in this case, this is odd, this is odd, this is also odd. 1771, it is the only number that contains four digits, so it is the output is 1. So pretty much simple problem, just an array traversal problem. Okay, so we are given a nums array. So before this, actually we need to find the logic to just count the number of digits into this number. So let's say we have given 555. So how will count the number of digits into this number? So a simple logic, if we divide it by 10, then it would be like 55, and then again when we divide it by 10, then it would be 5, and then again, like, we divide it by 10. So similarly, like, every time when we divide this number by 10, so the count of number, like, till the number is greater than 0, that would be our number of digits. So I can do a little better. So first, before writing this, we can write that function that will count the number of digits in a single number. So we will pass a single number to this function, and the function will return the number of digits into that number. So okay, so that will return an integer, so therefore the return type is integer, and let's say number of digits is the function name. It will take a number, and there will be a count initially. So initially there will be a count which is 0. After that we check, there will be actually a loop. So while our whatever the number is provided to us is greater than 0, we will run a loop, and what we'll do, we will just divide the number by 10. So we'll divide the number by 10, and till when this loop will run, we'll just increment the counter till or that actual number not 0. So our count will be plus plus, and at last we'll return count. So this function will actually return us what are the number of digits into that number, what are the number we have passed to it. Now it's a simple logic now. So we just go to each and every number one by one and calculate the digit. And if it is a even number of digit, we will increment another count and then return at last. So for that, just keep a result or something at initial go, and then just run a loop. So should be 0 while I is less than nums of length I plus plus. So here our loop will go like to 0 to num dot length minus 1, and just need to call this function. So if number of digits will pass that element itself, nums of I, if this is even. So if the remainder, well, like when we divide this by 2, the remainder is 0, means this number is 0. So we increment our result. So it will go here, this is odd, so it will again run the loop. It is odd, again the loop will run. It is on, again the loop will run. Here it is even, so we'll increment the counter here, and at last just return the result. This is a iterative, like a linear approach, so time complexity will be order of n. This is a constant time, so that won't count actually. So overall we are just iterating over this array single time, so that would be order of n. So yeah, let's test this. Okay, so this is fine. Now just submit and see all the tests. Yeah, it's accepted. You see more details. Yes, all the tests passed. Cool.